Hi, Colorblind Architect here. I thought I would share with you a little bit of what I'm doing today on the job. Today I got to have a little bit of fun flying my drone. And honestly, it's one of the things that I really enjoy about doing my work is being able to do things like that. Unfortunately, it's for a very sad cause. This is actually for a client of mine. And what I ended up having to scan was this. That's right. I was flying the drone so that I could scan a roof collapse. Here in Utah, we had a lot of snow this last winter, and unfortunately, this roof just didn't have the capacity, didn't have the strength to be able to withstand the amount of snow. Now, we're actually in a mountain location right now where this building is, and yeah, it required, it should have had a lot more structural strength than it did, but this was also an exceedingly snowy year. We had more snow than I think we've ever had on the ground at any time. So this is gonna happen. I mean, there's been a lot of roof collapses here in Utah because of that, and this was an unfortunate victim, and this just happens to be a property owned by one of my clients. This is one of the things that I think that as architects, we really should be doing. We should be providing services that help our clients. And that's one of the reasons why I got my commercial drone license. That's one of the reasons why I have a Matterport camera. It's so that I can create digital twins of spaces like this so that, you know, for example, they need the drone imagery and the Matterport scan to help with the insurance claims. So I don't know if this video is all that helpful, but I just thought I'd share a little bit about what I've been spending the whole entire day doing. Anyways, I'm the Colorblind Architect. Peace out.
My soul, take my body, but I'll never take my soul. Take my body, but I'll never take my soul.